Hello, everybody. Hello, Mauricio. Hello, Maria.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. I'm glad to hear that. I'm sorry, I think I'm having internet connection problems. So just letting you know because I don't know if maybe. Hi, guys. I'm back again. ¿Me escuchan?
Yes, teacher. No problem.
Ok, estaba a la mitad de explicarles que estoy teniendo problemas de conexión cuando de repente, ¡puf!, me fui. Así es que, ya, el explicarles eso de que no sé por qué, pero estoy teniendo problemas de conexión. Entonces, si no me escuchan bien en algún momento, solo díganme. Y puede ser que me pase otra vez como me pasó, de que de repente me vaya un momento, pero solo avisarles que puede pasar, ¿ok? Um, how was your weekend? Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah? Okay, good, good. I'm glad
Yes,
to. Excellent, excellent. Okay. Um, let's see. A ver. Hello, Darlene. Hello, Magdam.
good morning, Miss. How are you?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
Very good, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, good. I'm glad to hear that. Excellent. Um, okay, so what we're going to do right now is start reviewing a little bit about the vocabulary that we saw on Friday. So on Friday, we started looking at vocabulary related to food. Okay, so let me pull that up and share it with you. Okay, um, let's start. Okay, can you see this?
Yeah.
Yes, Miss.
Great, perfect. Okay, so just reviewing this vocabulary, I'm going to go over the pronunciation of the words. We already know the vocabulary, so I'm just going to go over the pronunciation. So we have apples. Can you repeat? Apples.
Apple.
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 Apples,
Good. Blueberries,
blueberries,
Berries.
Blueberry.
tomatoes,
tomatoes,
Tomatoes.
lemons,
Tomatoes. Lemon.
lemons,
oranges,
Oranges.
Oranges.
oranges,
lettuce.
Lettuce.
Berries.
So remember, it's not lettuce, it's lettuce. Okay?
Yeah.
Lettuce.
Mm-hmm.
Lettuce.
Good. Bananas,
Banana.
Bananas.
onions,
Onions.
Onion.
onions.
Onions.
Onion.
Okay. So remember,
onions,
it's not onions, it's onions. Okay? Just remember that.
onions,
Onion.
onions,
Onions. Good. Okay. Carrots,
Carrots.
Carrot.
kiwis,
Kiwis.
Kiwi.
broccoli,
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
potatoes.
Potatoes.
Mhm. Good. Excellent. All right. Now we have over here, we have the oil,
Oil.
Oil.
butter,
Oil.
Butter.
Butter.
butter,
Butter. Butter.
mayonnaise,
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
cream,
Mayonnaise. Cream.
milk,
Milk.
cheese,
Cheese.
Cheese.
yogurt,
Yogurt.
yogurt.
Yo. Yo.
Yes. Nuts, nuts,
Nuts.
chicken,
Chicken.
eggs,
Eggs.
fish,
Fish.
beans,
Beans.
Beans.
beef,
Beans.
beef.
Beef.
Beef. Beef.
Yes. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. Okay, rice,
Rice.
Rice.
noodles,
Noodles.
noodles,
Noodles.
bread,
Bread.
Bread.
cereal,
Cereal.
crackers,
Cracker.
Rocket.
pasta.
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 Very good. Do you have any questions about the vocabulary?
No way.
No questions?
No.
Miss, excuse me, can you
Mhm.
read broccoli?
Yeah, broccoli.
Broccoli.
Yeah,
Bro-
broccoli.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Anything else? No?
No, miss.
No.
Okay, perfect. So this is just a review of the vocabulary that we saw on Friday. So let me stop sharing for a moment. Okay. By the way, welcome to the people that just came in. Okay. Magda, welcome.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. Let me see. So, okay, perfect. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna move on to a conversation. Okay, so let me share this conversation with you. Yeah, do you have this conversation? Can you see
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So we're gonna listen to this conversation between Keith and Jane. Okay, and they're gonna be talking about the ingredients that they have for sandwiches. Okay, So let's hear their conversation.
Page 59. Exercise 2. Conversation. Let's get some lettuce and some tomatoes. Listen and practice.
Do we need any lettuce for the sandwiches?
Good idea. Let's get some lettuce and some tomatoes.
Do we have any bread?
No, we need some. And we don't have any cheese.
Let's get some cheese then. And some chicken too.
We have some chicken at home.
Oh, all right. How about some potato salad?
Sure. I love potato salad.
Great. Let's buy some.
Okay, so where are Keith and Jane? Where are they? Are they at the park? Are they at school?
In the supermarket.
Very good. They're at the supermarket. Excellent. And what ingredients do they need for their sandwiches?
In the
Bread and tomato.
Lettuce and
Chicken.
tomato. Very good. What else? What other ingredients? Lettuce,
cheese,
tomatoes, cheese. Good. What else?
Chicken.
Chicken. Good. What else?
Meat.
Bread.
potato.
Bread.
Potato. Bread.
Yeah. What kind of, like, specifically, what about potatoes?
Sa- Potato salad.
Yes. Very good. Potato salad. Yeah. What is potato salad in Spanish? What is potato salad?
Ensalada de papa, ¿no?
Very good. Ensalada de papas. Excellent. Okay, now which of these ingredients do they have to buy at the supermarket? Which of these ingredients do they buy at the supermarket?
Tomato.
Yes, very good. Tomatoes. What else? What else do they buy?
apple,
Apples? Nope, they don't buy any apples. So which ingredients from here do they buy at the supermarket?
Le,
Lettuce, very good. They buy
le, lettuce. Lettuce.
Mhm.
Cheese.
Cheese. They
Chicken.
buy cheese. What else? What else do they buy?
Bread.
Chicken.
Bread. Very good. Do they buy chicken? Do they buy chicken?
Mm,
Do they buy chicken?
Yes.
Mm. Actually, no, they don't buy chicken. And the reason they don't buy chicken is because they say, because Jane says we have
Oh,
some chicken at home. So they don't need any
yeah.
chicken from the supermarket because the chicken is at home. Okay? Any other ingredients that they buy?
Potato salad.
Yeah, they buy potato salad. So they don't actually make the potato salad, they buy the potato salad already made. Okay? Okay, so what I want you to do right now is practice this conversation with a partner. Okay? Um, let me send the conversation in the chat. Okay, you should be able to see the conversation now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you into breakout rooms. Darlene, are you able to participate? Darlene, are you able to participate?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, perfect. All right, let's assign you.
Teacher, buenos días.
Yes, good morning, Angie.
Good morning. Teacher, es que yo voy para la escuela a recoger a mi hijo que se sintió mal, entonces cualquier cosa yo no puedo participar.
Okay, all right, I'm going to put you into a breakout room with another group, and you can join them and just listen, okay? So
Okay,
you don't
thank
have
you.
to participate. Okay, so I'm opening all the rooms right now.
Let's get some juice and some tomatoes.
Do we any break?
No, with some, and we don't have any cheese.
Let's get some cheese, then, and some chicken too.
We have some chicken at home.
Oh, alright. How about some potato salad?
Sure, I love potato salad.
Great. Let's go home.
Oye, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Do we need a lettuce for the sandwich?
Good idea. Let's get some lettuce and some tomatoes.
Do we have any bread?
No, we need some, and we don't have any cheese.
Let's get some cheese, then and some chicken too.
We have some chicken at home.
All right, now, how about some potato salad?
Sure, I love potato salad.
Great. Let's put
Potatoes.
Sure, I love potato salads.
Right. Let's great. Let's buy some. Buy some.
Okay,
Ahora al revés.
yeah. Do we need any lettuce for the sandwich?
Good idea. Good idea. Let's get some lettuce and some tomatoes.
Do we have any bar?
No, we need some, and we don't have any cheese. Don't have any cheese.
Let's get some cheese then and some chicken too.
We have some chicken at home.
Oh, all right. How about some potato salad?
Sure, I love potato salad.
Yeah, let's buy some.
Ujú. Empezamos al revés.
Okay.
Do you need any? Do do we need any let lettuce for the sandwich?
Good idea. Let's get some lettuce and some tomatoes.
Do we have any bread?
No, we need some, and we don't have any cheese.
Let's get some cheese then, and some chicken too.
We have some chicken at home.
Oh, all right. How about some potato salad?
Sure, I love potato salad.
Great, let's buy some.
Okay. Do you have any questions about the vocabulary or pronunciation? Any questions?
The pronunciation. How do you say lechuga in
Okay.
English?
You say lettuce. Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Yeah.
Lettuce.
It's a tricky one, but it's easy to remember if you remember that it sounds like let us. Okay, so like this. I wrote it in the chat. Can you see it? Can you see it in the chat?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah?
Miss.
Okay, perfect. So lettuce, so you can just remember that it's like let us, let us, let us. But you have to say it quickly. Not let us, but let us.
Mhm. Let,
Lettuce.
let us.
Lettuce.
Lord.
Let us.
Yep. Okay. Any questions?
Petition.
Any other questions?
No question.
No questions? Okay.
No, Miss.
No?
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Let's move on to the next part then. We're going to be learning right now about how we can describe the food that we can count and the food that we can't count. Okay? So this is what we call count and non-count nouns. Remember the word nouns? What is nouns? What's the word nouns? Can you tell me in Spanish what is nouns? Who remembers?
Nombre.
Sorry? Can you repeat? Sorry, can you repeat? Well, what are nouns?
Sustantivos.
Sustantivos. Very good. Exactly. Sustantivos. So, yeah. So, sustantivos, in case you're not sure about, are anything that we can use as they are people, animals, places, and things. Okay? In this case, they are things, right? Because they are food. We're talking about food. Okay? So we are going to talk about specifically the food that you count and food that you can't count. I'm going to give you an example in Spanish, okay, so that you can understand what I'm talking about. Think about, for example, think about carrots or, well, zanahorias, okay? Let's talk about zanahorias. Can we count? ¿Podemos contar las zanahorias?
Yes, teacher.
Yes?
Miss, what's the meaning count?
Carrots? Carrots or zanahorias?
Count.
Yeah,
What's the
carrots.
meaning count?
Carrots are zanahorias. So can we count carrots? ¿Podemos contar las
No, Miss,
zanahorias?
excuse me. What's the meaning count?
Oh, count. That count, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's count.
Thank you, Miss.
So is it possible to count carrots? ¿Se puede contar las zanahorias?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's possible, right? We can say, oh, I'm going to the supermarket. I'm going to buy 5 carrots. Voy a comprar 5 zanahorias. That's possible, right? Okay. So we can say that carrots are under the category and say that carrots are under the category of count nouns. Count nouns. Okay, and over here we have non-count nouns. Okay, so carrots are under the category. But think about, for example, rice. What is rice in Spanish?
Arroz.
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 Can we count rice?
No.
No.
Oh, teacher. Se apunta.
No, right?
Count.
Not possible to count. No podemos contar el arroz. O sea, no vamos, por ejemplo, no le decimos a quien nos está sirviendo la comida, deme 50 arroz o a 50 arroces. No se va a empezar a contar. Uno, dos, tres, right? No, right? You can't do that. So that's non-count would be rice. Okay? I'll give you
Okay.
another example. Can we count eggs? Eggs. What are eggs?
Yes.
What are eggs? What are eggs? Tell me again, what are eggs?
Huevos.
Huevos. Very good. Huevos. Okay, so can we count eggs? Is it possible to count eggs?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we can count eggs. Yes, that's possible. So eggs. Okay? Okay, is it possible to count bread? What is bread?
Pan.
Pan.
Pan. Can we count bread?
Yes.
Yeah.
Think about it. Can we count bread? ¿Se puede contar el pan?
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
No podemos contar el pan. Yo sé que en El Salvador decimos mucho como, por ejemplo, pasa el panadero y decimos, deme 5 panes. Pero en realidad está mal dicho, porque no estamos pidiendo 5 panes. En realidad lo que estamos pidiendo es como 5 bollos de pan. Lo que pasa es que omitimos el bollo. Pero en realidad eso es lo que pidiendo. Estamos pidiendo bollos de pan. O, por ejemplo, si vamos a hacer un sándwich, por ejemplo, no vamos a decir, necesito 2 panes. No, decimos, en realidad lo que estamos necesitando son 2 piezas de pan, ¿verdad? 2 pedazos de pan. Entonces, pero no lo decimos, aunque en realidad así es lo correcto. No sé si me explico.
Yes,
Porque
teacher.
Porque si estamos, por ejemplo, si yo digo, deme 5 panes, pero ¿a qué se me refiero? 5 panes, o sea, tal vez imagínense que fuera como esos panes de sándwich, o sea, estamos hablando de todo el pan o qué, ¿verdad? Entonces, tenemos que ser muy específicos. Por lo tanto, no podemos en sí contarlo. Ahí lo que realmente estamos contando son, por ejemplo, los bollos, los pedazos de pan, pero no en pan en sí. Does that make sense?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, so bread is not possible to count. Okay, so no, bread is non-count. Okay, let's talk about, let me think. Um, let's talk about tomato. Can we count a tomato?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we can
No.
count a tomato. Yes, we can count it. We can say, I bought 3 tomatoes at the supermarket. Okay?
Okay.
So, yeah. All right, what about broccoli? Can we count broccoli?
Yes.
What do you think? Can we count broccoli? Piénsenlo bien. Can we count broccoli?
No, no,
No.
No, we can't count broccoli. I know it's confusing, but okay. But para que no nos confundamos tanto, piensen. El brócoli se puede dividir en varias partes, ¿sí o no?
Yes.
Yes.
Ya. Entonces, cuando decimos brócoli, ¿a qué nos referimos exactamente? ¿Estamos hablando de todo o las partecitas? Entonces, como podemos dividirlo en partecitas, entonces no se puede contar. Igual, por ejemplo, la lechuga o el coliflor. No se puede contar porque son cosas que son vegetales que podemos partirlos en diferentes partecitas, ¿ok? Es más, generalmente no nos comemos un brócoli entero, ¿verdad? Toda la cosa no la comemos, ¿verdad? Nos comemos partecita de ello, pero no todo. Pero sí podemos, por ejemplo, comernos una zanahoria completa, un tomate completo, etcétera, etcétera. ¿Ok?
Okay.
Ok.
Okay, Miss.
All right. So, question. When we, or not a question, it's actually explanation. So when we are doing count nouns, when we're talking about count nouns, it's possible to use numbers or using a or an. For example, carrots, plural. Carrots is plural. So we can say, for example, 5 carrots. Okay, we can put a number. 5 carrots. Okay? So you can say, I need 5 carrots. Okay? Or we can, with the egg, we can be specific and just say 1. So we can say, there is a egg. Sorry, an egg. And the reason why we say un is because the beginning of egg is a vowel sound. Egg. So you can say an egg. Okay? But in the case of tomato, it doesn't have a vowel sound. So we can say 1 tomato or a tomato.
Miss, excuse me para decir una libra
Oh, okay,
o
yeah.
una.
Good. Excellent. Yes, very good. Yeah, we can, very, very good, exactly. So when we, for example, let's say with non-count nouns, rice, we need, for example, una libra de arroz, right? Entonces aquí no estamos contando el arroz, estamos contando la libra, ¿ok? Entonces, so in that case, we can use words like pound, 1 pound, okay? 1 pound, okay? Or we can use ounces too. 1 ounce, okay? Also gram, use 1 gram, right? Or 1 kilogram. Okay, so those are very common measurements. Okay, or we can say 1 cup. 1 cup. You understand 1 cup? 1 cup is equivalent to 250.
Taza.
Yeah, I
Una
think,
taza.
yeah, 250 milliliters. I think, I'm not sure, but I think so, yeah. 250 milliliters. Yeah. Okay, so we can use these, right? For example, with broccoli, si ustedes, por ejemplo, ven una dieta, ¿verdad? Cuando hay una receta para una dieta y dicen, vaya, agréguele brócoli. Normalmente, ¿cómo lo calculan? Podría ser, por ejemplo, 1 cup of broccoli, right? Entonces ahí estamos calculando, estamos, estamos midiendo la taza, no el brócoli en sí. Okay. All right. Any questions?
Miss, la pronunciación, disculpe lo de la libra, onza, gramos.
Okay. All right. Could you ask me that in English?
Pronunciation.
Repeat, please. How do you say?
Eight.
Yeah. So remember, ask me, how do you pronounce? How do you pronounce?
How you do pronounce?
How do you pronounce?
How do you pronounce?
Yes.
Pronounce.
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 Yeah. How do you pronounce? And then you can say the word, right? For example, in this case, how do you pronounce this pound? So the pronunciation is pound. Pound. 1 pound. Can you repeat?
Pound.
Yeah. Can you repeat?
Pound.
1 pound.
Pound.
1 pound.
1 pound.
1 pound. Yeah. Okay. Good. Um, okay. Anything else? Any other questions? So we have
No,
1 pound.
Todo.
Okay. 1 ounce.
1 ounce.
Yes.
1 ounce.
Mm-hmm.
1 ounce.
Very good. 1 gram.
1 gram.
1 gram.
1 gram.
1 gram.
Mm-hmm. 1 kilogram.
1 kilogram.
1 kilogram.
Yeah. 1 cup.
1 cup.
Mhm. Good.
1 cup.
Yep.
Miss, excuse me, how do you say una docena y media docena?
So we can use dozen is 12, and then half a dozen, which is 6. Okay. So we usually say a dozen and half a dozen. A dozen, a dozen, a dozen, or half.
8.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. A dozen, dozen, dozen.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And half a dozen.
Half a dozen.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Anything else? Any other questions?
Now it's clear.
It's clear? Yeah?
Miss, I'm
Uh-huh.
sorry.
Yeah.
Um, uh, no, Annie.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Just give me a moment. I'm going to get there, but I just want to know that you understand this information first. It's clear? Is this clear? No problem?
Yes, teacher, it's clear.
Antes que les explique esto, quiero saber si todo esto de acá está claro. Yes?
Yes.
Miss, excuse me, para
Yeah.
concretarlo. Por ejemplo, los vegetales que se parten en pedacitos, esos cuentan como non-count. For
Mm,
example, let
mhm.
let us la
Lettuce.
lechuga.
Yeah.
Lettuce.
Yeah, exactly. Because yeah, so la lechuga no es que en sí se corte en pedazos, pero vienen como pedazos juntos, ¿verdad? Entonces van igual como el brócoli, el coliflor, son pedacitos que vienen como juntos, ¿verdad? Entonces, o por ejemplo, ¿cómo se llama esto? Se me ha ido el nombre. Lo que se le pone al curtido.
Remolacha.
Repollo.
Repollo.
Remolacha.
Very good. El repollo también viene en pedazos, digamos, que se pone todo junto. Ok, entonces ahí en ese caso igual. eh, Vamos a estar diciendo, ya, por ejemplo, uno normalmente no consume todo el vegetal, ¿verdad? Es demasiado grande. Entonces solamente se consume una parte de ese vegetal. ¿Ok?
You miss.
Ujú. Okay. All right. Let me explain now this part over here. So when we are asking about questions, okay, these are for questions. And we ask, for example, like in Spanish, you say, um, ¿tenemos papas? ¿Tenemos papas? In Spanish, we just say tenemos papas. But in English, we can't just say, do we have potatoes? Or we can, but normally what we do is we use the word any, okay, for questions. Do we have any potatoes? And what that means, do we have any potatoes? What it's talking about is like saying, it's asking, tenemos algo de papas, o sea, aunque sea un poquito, pero tenemos, okay, do we have any potatoes? And the same thing goes with non-count. We can say any. Do we have any lettuce? So when we use any is when we have a question. We have a question, we use the word any. Okay? Also, the word any can be used when we have a negative, the answer is negative. No, we don't have any. Okay, the same thing with non-counts. We use the word any.
Any es algunos, ¿ve?
Yes, algunos. Well, yeah, es que, okay, les explico. Any y some, los dos puede traducir como alguno, pero, o algunos, pero en inglés hay una diferencia. And the difference is when we use it. So the word any can be used for two reasons. We can use it when we are asking a question, right? For questions. And we can also use it when the answer is negative, right? No, we don't need any potatoes. No, we don't need any lettuce. So when it's negative, we also use any. Okay? Now, we use the word some. So some is a possible word to use. And some we use when it's affirmative. So in this case, when we say yes, it's affirmative. That's when we use some. So in review, any is for questions and negatives. Okay, for questions and negatives. So I'm going to put it down here. Okay. And some is for affirmative. Okay, any questions about that? You have any questions?
Excuse me, perdón. ¿Cómo se traduciría entonces? Do we need any letters?
Okay,
Nosotros necesitamos,
necesitamos algo de lechuga.
ahí sería algo de, no sería alguna.
Yeah, so es que, como le vuelvo a decir, en español hay otras reglas, ¿verdad? Gramaticales. Entonces, todo depende, o sea, el punto es, no lo comparemos exactamente como en español, porque español es diferente. Aquí simplemente si ustedes se acuerdan de eso, any son for questions and negatives, and some for affirmative. Así de sencillo. Le digo algo o algunos o todo para que tengan una idea, pero no es porque sea la traducción exacta. Todo depende de la palabra.
Ok, Miss, thank you.
Ujú.
Es que
Ok.
en español lo traduce mal.
Ya. O sea, es normal que queramos traducir todo, pero a veces no se puede. A veces no es posible traducir todas las palabras en inglés o viceversa. A veces hay cosas que am, cosas que, por ejemplo, del español que no se puede traducir al inglés. Entonces, por eso no es una buena idea eh, tener la tendencia de traducir todo, porque es imposible. Son dos idiomas diferentes. Hay cosas que sí se pueden traducir, otras cosas que no se pueden traducir. Hay cosas que se pueden traducir de diferentes maneras, dependiendo el contexto. Entonces, por eso nos vamos a confundir si estamos solo dependiendo de la traducción. ¿Ok?
Ok, Miss, thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions that you have?
No question.
No? Okay. All right. In that case, vamos a tomar asistencia. Okay. So, listen for your name. And when you hear your name, you can say present. Frese del Socorro, Daniel Suardo Tocay, Angie Tatiana Umaña.
Sí.
Thank you. Ana Sofía Murillo.
Present.
Thank you. Sorry, no. Carlos Alberto Escobar. Juveni José Sánchez. Yaron Vega Chacón. Ashley Jacqueline Rosemary.
Present, Miss.
Thank you. Odilia Odilia Aguirre Salgado. Daniel Osvaldo Hernández. René Mauricio Mejía.
Present.
Thank you. Maylin Darlene Oliva.
Miss,
Thank you. Julissa Esther Bonilla. Magda Jocelyn Calo.
Present.
Thank you. María Lorenza Reyes.
Present.
Thank you. Adeline Hilda Asman. Stephen Pineda Rodríguez. Daniela Reyes.
Present.
Thank you. Nadia Escamarilleri Castillo. Kendi Yanira Portillo. And Cecilia Elizabeth Perez. Okay. All right, class. So that's all going to be all for today. And I will see you tomorrow. Do you have any questions before we continue? Before we finish? ¿Preguntas,
No
yes.
preguntas?
question.
No?
No, Miss.
Okay. All right. In that case, have a wonderful day and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.